Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Bear Show, and we'll have another Beyblade battle because we have here our stadium. And yeah, as I promised, we'll have our Drigger. Ooh, Drigger versus our three Bakutin Shoot members or Beyblades. Yeah, versus your Dragoon, Drazil, and your Dranzer. So yeah, let's go. Let's have them. And yeah, as I know, we'll have the Dragoon first. Okay. So Dragoon versus your Drigger. So let's have Drigger here. Still, we will use the double launcher. Okay. And then Dragoon first. Okay, ready? First round and first battle. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Oh, no contact on that very first launch. No contact yet. Oh, that's it. But yeah, Drigger won on that. Drigger wins, and 1 point for Drigger. Next, second round. Not so feisty battle. Yeah, but yeah, let's go for the second round. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Oh, it comes back, our Drigger, but yeah, lost control of Drigger. So that's a win for our Dragoon. Okay. So Dragoon won on that. Drigger. So last round, 1-1. So who will win this one? Will win the round. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Oh, that's a big scrape. Maybe. Let's check after the battle. Ooh. Contact, man. That's the first contact. I think that's the second. Oh, so Dragoon wins because Dragoon lost its spin last. So let's see if there is a scrape, man. I can. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, there is, man. Drigger has now a scratch on that part. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, so Drigger lost with the Dragoon. So now let's have Drigger versus our Drazil. Let's go. Let's have them for the second battle. Yeah, first round, second battle. Ready? Drazil versus Drigger. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Oh, a loss for Drazil. Drazil got loss of its control and goes for the over finish. And Drigger won on that. That's 2 points. And yeah, sorry for that, Brazil. Now let's have Drigger first. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Ooh! Uh-oh. Spin finish for this one. Spin finish. Ready? Let's see that. Let's see it. Let's see it. Oh, that's a tie. That's a tie. So let's have another round because that's a tie. But yeah, Drigger already have 2 points. So in order for the Drazil to win on this one, Drazil needs a over finish also, so that we'll have another round or an extreme finish. Ready? It's on go. Shoot! Shoot! Let's see. A spin finish for, and that's for Drigger. Still, Drigger won on that battle. Okay, so yeah. Let's see if there are some scrapes on the paint. No, but it's on the blade. Woo! That's a great one on the screws, man. It breaks. See? Both are plastic, but still they make damage. So what will happen if you will battle them with some of the metal ones? Yeah, this is just plastic to plastic, man, but still it can still damage. See that? That's why I really don't recommend it battling with some Beyblade X originals or the metal ones. So next is your Drigger versus your Dranzer. Okay, that's your Dranzer. Let's do it. So Dranzer here, and then Drigger here. Let's see. Ooh, even the Drigger has a damage right there. But yeah, we can avoid that because that's why they are made of. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, Drigger versus Transfer. Again. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Ooh! Oh! Oh, 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 oh. Okay, that's a win for Drigger, man. That's a win for Drigger. Nice. See? Some damages. Yeah, there's so many scratches already. And even the Dranzer, or the Drigger, no, the Dranzer has something, damage on that part of the screw. Okay, let's have it first. Then our Drigger here. Wow, there's so many. Ready. Second round. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Shoot. Ooh. Oh. Oh, will won. Oh, that's a win for Dranzer. Yeah. 1 point, 1 point. Yeah, both have 1 point already. So last round, this will tell you, or this will conclude who will win on this battle. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Shoot! Ooh! Ah! And yeah, Drigger won on that round, and Drigger won. Yeah, so that's it. That's our conclusion of Drigger versus our 3 Bako Tin Shoot Beyblades right here. So yeah, so next and the last one we'll have our Dranzer versus the 3. Okay, so that's for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe, and please hit that notification bell so that you'll be informed for our next videos. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake De La Paz signing off, and Gunpla Show signing off. Whew. More Gunpla and Beyblade reviews and yeah, videos, contents next time. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, and peace out. Bye. Woo! So, if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag JakeTheBeyblader and have the chance to be shout out on our next video. That's it. Thank you so much. Peace out.